welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, as you already know, and my channel is Glamorous Mimi, as you already know, aka the Glamorous doll is here. It's here. Yes, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be about, I don't know what to name it right now. So I just want to do some makeup. It's been a while since I did my makeup on camera, so yeah, it's gonna be an everyday video. No, an everyday makeup video. That's crazy. I'm coming up with a title in the middle of the video. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I upload. And follow my social media, including my news business account, my business page for my lashes and lip gloss, for my website, Mimi Glam Beauty. Yeah. Because our girl just hit a 101 followers. So go check it out. I haven't had my first order, but yes, be sure to go check my website out and shop my store for some 3D mixed lashes and some lip gloss. Of course, 3D mix is not everybody's type, but hey, you got some people that don't want to buy 25 mm, but 25 mm is too much for me. So yes, I'm back with another video. So as you see, it's a package behind me, so I'm just gonna open it up later in the video. So I'm gonna just do everyday makeup, and yeah, and stay tuned for more. So let's get into this video. So y'all want to know what's in this box, right? Before I get started on my makeup. So let me turn around. So I got my blade, and be careful how you use this. I got me a scale to weigh my packages when I want to send all my packages off to my customers. This is coming very handy, and I got that Accutech one. The Accutech. So this is coming handy when I ship out my orders. And I have some more bubble mailers. So when like people buy bulk, like 3-4 pairs of lashes, I be ready, because this is a 6x9. So I have these already packed and loaded, which is 25 bags in here. I wish it was more like 100 or 50 like the last time I ordered my 50, but it's not. So you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta order one. So hopefully y'all shop my website and buy some lip gloss and 3D mix lashes. I'm sorry that I don't have 25 mm, but they will come later on when I decide to make the decision, because they got a little pricey right now, and plus shipping. So you already know it costs. So if you are a business owner like me, or running a business, a small business, it costs. Yeah, it costs. So 3D mix gonna be on my stage right now, because I do know people that love 3D mix, like 3D mix natural lash. So I got that for my website and my lip gloss. I'm thinking about coming out with some lip scrubs. And speaking of lip scrubs, I have made 2 lip scrubs. So this is strawberry, and it works wonderful on my lips. So I'm praying that it goes good. So let's get right into this makeup right now and put this away. As you already know, my brows is done, and my my face is primed. So to get started, I'm working out my chestnut palette from Perfusion. I'm just gonna do a basic eyeshadow, not too much, because this is an everyday makeup. So I'm thinking about taking this color and just putting it on my eyeshadow, my eyelids. So yeah, but this is my eyes. So let's get started on face. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation to start out with. See, I haven't did this in a long time, so I wouldn't know how to start it. So I just started all wrong. So I'm gonna just put a little bit up here and just put it on my face. For concealer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes. And I know I look orange in this video. I just really can't tell right now. And I'm gonna use my my Wet n Wild concealer as well. So. I did my eyeshadow off camera, and I know I'm going out of order, but that's okay. I got to get myself back into it because I already have a lot going on. So I'm just gonna bake my concealer, apply my Airspun powder to bake my concealer. To set my concealer. See, I told you I've been out too long. And I ain't did this in a while. But that's okay. I'm about to get back into it because a lot of things be coming up. You know, I just had my surgery. I ain't supposed to be doing this, but teacher for y'all, man, I just got tired of laying that bed. I gotta get up and move. Bronze are not contouring, so y'all, I'm just bronzing around my head. And now I'm about to wipe away this powder. Excuse me, this is a dirty brush. Don't judge me. This is where I clean my powder off. So don't judge me. Please don't judge me. now I'm going to apply my eyelashes, and the eyelash I'm wearing is Ambitious. My eyelashes for my collection, Ambitious. This is what it look like. Let me get y'all close up of what Ambitious look like, so y'all will know how to purchase them. This is what Ambitious look like. They are so cute. So I'm gonna apply that and these lashes. There's always one lash that give me more problem. This lash gave me a lot of problem. This lash didn't give me no problem. My eyes were because I just did my waterline, my eyeliner, and time to put on mascara. And the mascara I'm using is Telescopic from L'Oreal. So I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, I'm loving these lashes. Okay, it's time for look, and I don't know what I really want to wear, so I'm just gonna come over here and get Viper from Counterpart. Time to highlight, and I'm using Color Rain that I got out of my Etsy bag, and I already blushed. So this is my everyday makeup. I know it's different, so I know everyday makeup don't require lashes and all that, but this is my everyday makeup, and every year it changed. I don't know why, but if y'all want to get this eyelash tool, it's real, it's like, it's heavy, it's metal, and it's $2 on my website, because I did an unboxing, and you can get this if you purchase over $60, and you can purchase and get this if you purchase the lash bundles. That's the only time you get it. You don't get it with the purchase of 1 pound lash and all that. You just get it with it when you purchase over $60 and the lash bundle. So it's a deal. It's a steal for me. So this is the end of my everyday makeup and my little small unboxing. So I see y'all glamorous babes in the next video, and make sure you shop my store, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and follow all my social media, including my business account, Mimi Glam Beauty, where you can see all my stuff I be posting on my website or what I'm doing, because you never know. So get the shopping on my website, www.mimiglambeauty.com, and I see y'all later. This is